25 years ago, DXN Philippines has cultivated a business landscape that changed the lives of many Filipinos. Through the help of the DXN Philippines management team, the business grew across the country, providing great opportunities towards financial independence, boasting products for better health, and partnering with first-generation leaders who persevered, worked hard, and paved the way towards a solid DXN business, empowering Filipinos to achieve their dreams. They have created DXN Philippines Foundation towards our rise to victory. A true power that the first generation of DXN leaders have created. Now, a new generation has sprung to chart new paths, forge new connections, and transcend legacies. Ready to level up the business. Ready to face new challenges. Ready to be the future. This is the new DXN, bringing the power of the past to become an unstoppable force of the future.